This fish is able to fly over 1,000 feet at a time, but if they fly for too long, they might get eaten by a bird. However, if they don't fly, they might get eaten by a fish. This fish is a mahi-mahi. They swim incredibly fast when trying to catch flying fish before they soar away. Flying fish don't actually have wings though. Instead, they've evolved to have extremely long pectoral fins that act as a glider. And so, if a mahi-mahi wants to eat one, they need to move lightning fast. In fact, they're able to swim up to 60 miles per hour when hunting, but not if there's a metal spear sticking out of the side of its body. Turns out, mahi-mahi aren't quite at the top of the food chain. After I grab the fish, brain it, and bleed it, I proceed to empty its stomach.